Welcome to my channel. Today, we will get to know the amazing Kodak PIXPRO AZ255 camera. If you are a photography enthusiast or looking for a camera with powerful specifications and easy to use, you are in the right place. This camera combines powerful performance with reasonable price. With a 25x optical zoom lens, you will not miss a moment, whether you are on your trips or at special occasions. If you like shooting videos in high definition, do not worry. PIXPRO AZ255 allows you to record videos in 1080p, making every moment vivid and clear. Click like on the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. The Kodak PIXPRO AZ255 is a compact camera with powerful features that is suitable for both beginners and advanced photographers. Here is a detailed explanation of the camera. 1. Basic specifications. Sensor. It has a 16 megapixel CCD sensor, allowing you to capture high-quality images with clear details. Lens and zoom. The lens features 25x optical zoom, allowing you to capture clear images even from long distances. In addition to a digital zoom of up to 4x, allowing you to zoom in on images at a higher level. Screen. A 3-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 460,000 pixels, which is a clear and convenient screen for composing and reviewing images. 2. Video performance. The AZ255 supports 1080p video recording, which means you can shoot high-quality videos without the need for a separate video camera. 3. Multi-mode shooting. Kodak PIXPRO AZ255 comes with a wide range of shooting modes such as landscape mode, to capture stunning images of nature. Portrait mode, to capture people in perfect form. Manual mode, for more control over camera settings. Macro mode, to capture the fine details of small objects. 4. Design and features. The AZ255 camera is ergonomically designed and easy to use with a comfortable grip that allows you to shoot for long periods without fatigue. It has a digital image stabilizer to reduce vibration while shooting, especially in low light conditions or when using optical zoom. 5. Battery. The camera supports rechargeable batteries, which means you will be able to use it for long periods while shooting without worrying about changing batteries frequently. 6. Communication and sharing. The camera allows you to easily transfer photos and videos to your computer or smartphones via the USB port. 7. Additional features. Various shooting modes. The camera has different modes for beginner photographers, such as night photography, sports photography, and panoramic photography. Exposure control. Photographers can adjust exposure settings to suit the available light. 8. Storage. The camera supports SD/SDHC cards for storing photos and videos, giving you plenty of space to store your artwork. Now let's get into more details of our Kodak AZ255 review by analyzing its specs and features and listing out its pros and cons compared to average competitor cameras in its class. Kodak AZ255 weighs 336 g and has external dimensions of 113.6 by 77.7 by 69.7 millimeters. Considering that the average weight of DSLR-like type cameras is 594 g, Kodak AZ255 is a remarkably light camera for its class. Even better, with a thickness of only 70 millimeters, it is also quite small, 33 millimeters thinner than the average of its class. Here is the front and top view image of Kodak AZ255 with the dimensions. In order to give you a better idea about the real-life size of Kodak AZ255, we have added an image of how it looks next to a credit card and an AA-type battery. Kodak AZ255 features a 24-600mm f3.7-6.2 25x zoom lens. This camera offers exceptional wide-angle capacity thanks to 24mm focal length on the wide end, and with a max aperture of f3.70 at 24mm, we cannot consider this lens fast on wide end, and it is slow at the tele end with its max aperture of f6.20. Remarkable super telephoto reach at 600mm. AZ255 is equipped with optical image stabilization system, which is very handy especially at lower shutter speeds. Kodak AZ255 has a 16.0 MP 1/2.3, 6.17 by 4.55 mm sized CMOS sensor. You can shoot at maximum resolution of 4608 by 3456 pixels with aspect ratios of 4:3, 3:2, and 16:9. AZ255 has a native ISO range of 100 to 3200, but unfortunately, Kodak AZ255 doesn't have RAW file support. If you need a DSLR-like camera with a RAW support, consider or in the same price range. Kodak AZ255 is not the highest resolution small sensor camera. Canon SX740HS with its 21.0 MP sensor is leading in this class. Check the comparison of Kodak AZ255 versus Canon SX740HS or take a look at highest resolution bridge cameras list. Let's look at how the size of the Kodak AZ255's 1/2.3 sensor compares with other standard sensor sizes. Kodak AZ255 has a USB 2.0 480 megabits per second port to connect your camera to other devices. Kodak AZ255 battery. Kodak AZ255 is powered by a proprietary battery which provides a battery life of 300 shots according to CIPA standards. Considering that the average battery life of DSLR-like type cameras is 348 shots, its battery life is about average in its class, but it would still be wise to invest in some spare batteries for long photo trips. With Kodak AZ255, you can record your videos at a highest resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 30p FPS and save in and MPEG-4 formats. Full HD resolution of Kodak AZ255 will be adequate in most of the situations. But if you are after the highest resolution videos available, see our list of top cameras with 4K, Ultra HD, video. High-speed video. AZ255 features a high-speed mode where it captures videos at 120 frames per second, which helps to create slow-motion videos. If you shoot a video at a frame rate of 120 frames per second and play it back at 24 frames per second, the video will be 5x slower and longer than normal. Microphones, speaker, and headphone connections. Kodak PIXPRO AZ255 has a built-in stereo microphone and a mono speaker. On the other hand, Kodak AZ255 doesn't have any connections for external microphones and headphones. If you need a DSLR-like camera with external microphone connectivity, consider or in a similar price range. Also read max shutter speed. Kodak AZ255 can shoot continuously at max speed of 5 frames per second and has max shutter speed of 1/2000 SEC. Flash. Unfortunately, AZ255 doesn't have an external flash shoe, so you are limited with the built-in flash. Focusing. Kodak AZ255 features a contrast detection autofocusing system. Kodak AZ255 also features face detection AF, where it intelligently detects the faces in the frame and locks the focus automatically. Max shutter speed. Kodak AZ255 can shoot continuously at max speed of 5 frames per second and has max shutter speed of 1/2000 SEC. Flash. Unfortunately, AZ255 doesn't have an external flash shoe, so you are limited with the built-in flash. Focusing. Kodak AZ255 features a contrast detection autofocusing system. Kodak AZ255 also features face detection AF, where it intelligently detects the faces in the frame and locks the focus automatically.